Looking for tankless water heater repair, maintenance and service in Strathcona County? At Kingstree Plumbing, we understand the frustration of inconsistent hot water. Our tankless water heater repair, maintenance and service addresses everything from minor hiccups and mineral buildup to major system failures, ensuring a consistent flow of hot water for your home. Here in Strathcona County, we know that fluctuating temperatures can be a common issue, and our team provides specialized solutions tailored to the needs of residents here, including our comprehensive flush tankless water heater service. At Kingstree Plumbing, we're known for our same-day service and certified experts. Keep watching to see why Kingstree Plumbing is the trusted choice for tankless water heater repair, maintenance and service in Strathcona County.